Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, we are going to continue our same chapter, that is our chapter number 3, operation on whole numbers. So students, as we have started our multiplication and division, now students, we are going to continue our next exercise, that is 3D, and we will start with the first questions, that is, a company exported 900 bicycles. Number of bicycle exported by the company. How many bicycles are exported? These are 900. So the price of each being is 8,550. So price of each bicycle, what it is? It's 8,550 rupee. So students, question is that what will be the total price of the bicycles exported? So total price, how will we find out the total price? So students, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. जब भी हम लोग एक की वैल्यू गिवन हो, ज़्यादा की निकालनी हो, वी हैव विद द वैल्यू ऑफ 1. ओके, वी आर विद द वैल्यू ऑफ 1. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 10, देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 बाय 10. सो हियर इट इज सेम, वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज गिवन, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 इज गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 900. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई them. What will we do? We will multiply them. Here it is the multiplication. Again 0 is multiplied to get again 0. Now 9 is multiplied. It's 0. 9 5 ja 45. 1 4 carry forward. 9 5 ja 45 and 4 49. 4 again carry forward. 8 9 ja 72 and 4 72 and 4 76. So it will be, so our answer will be 76,95,000. So students, it's really easy question. Now to read the question carefully. A rice godown owner purchased 87,780 quintals of rice. So total rice, what is total rice? It is 16,780 quintals. Okay, so cost of 1 quintal, cost of 1 quintal rice is given as 525. Okay, cost of 1 quintal is given as 525. We have to find out the cost of 67,780 quintals. So total cost of 16,780 quintals of rice is to be taken as the multiplication of those two. Again I have told you in the first question, जब भी हमारे पास एक की वैल्यू गिवन हो तो ज़्यादा की निकालनी हो तो वी यूज टू मल्टीप्लाई, तो अगर ज़्यादा की दी हो एक की निकालनी हो तो वी यूज टू डिवाइड. 16780 is to be multiplied by 525. Again multiply them, we get 0. 8 5 ja 40, 4 carry forward, 7 5 35 and 3 4 39. So 3 is again carry forward. 6 5 ja 30. So students, as we have done, 7 5 ja 35 and 4 39. 3 carry forward. 6 5 ja 30 and 3 33. Again carry forward. 7 1 5 1 ja 5 and 1 8. So students, is it clear to you? Again multiply 0. 16, 1 is carry forward. 7 2 ja 16, 14 and 1, 15, 1 carry forward. 6 2 ja 12 and 1, 13, 1 carry forward. 2 1 ja 2 and 1, 3. Again we are going to multiply by 5. Same will be written here. 0 0 9 3 8. So now add them. 0 0 15, 1 carry forward. 5 and 3, 15 and 1, 16. Sorry, 5 and 3, 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 3, 12. 12 and 8, 20. 2 carry forward. 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8. It will be 8 again. So students, is it clear with the question? So again, have a look. The addition, that is 0. 0 is added to 0, again get 0. 9 and 6, 15 and 1 carry forward. 5 and 3, 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 3, 12 and 8. 12 and 8, 20. 2 carry forward. 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8. And it is 8. So total cost is, what is the total cost here? 88,09,050. So it's another very easy question. So moving forward to our next question, it's our question number 4. So students, in a factory 16,550 bottles are manufactured in a day. Number of bottles manufactured in a day. How many bottles are manufactured? These are 16,780. So 16,550. It is 16,550. So students, this is the total count of the bottles in a day. So students, the question is, how many bottles will be manufactured in a year if there are 55 non-working days? टोटल डेज इन ईयर कितने होते हैं बेटा? टोटल डेज इन अ ईयर, एक साल में कितने दिन होते हैं बेटा? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी? दीज आर 365 डेज. सो नॉन वर्किंग कितने हुए? एज संडे कम्स वीकली, है ना, जैसे संडे वीकली आता है वो नॉन वर्किंग डे हो गया 55. सो वर्किंग डे कितने आए हमारे? वर्किंग डेज कितने आए? जीरो. दीज आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड टू गेट 310. सो टोटल बॉटल्स निकालनी है. टोटल बॉटल्स कितनी आएंगी? जितने हमारे पास एक दिन का काउंट है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वर्किंग डेज के साथ. सो 0 हियर, 0 0 0 एंड 0. हियर कम्स 0 5 5 6 1. अगेन इट इज सेम. 0 3 5 जा 15, 1 कैरी फॉरवर्ड. 3 5 जा 15 एंड 1 16, 1 कैरी फॉरवर्ड. 3 6 जा 18 and 1 19, 1 carry forward. 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4. So we will add them. 0 0 5 10, 1 carry forward. 6 and 6 12 and 1 13, 1 carry forward. 9 and 1 10 and 1 11, 1 carry forward. 5 and 1 4 and 1 5. Okay, so it is again 51,30,500. So students, we are done with our 4 questions. We are going to start our next question. That will be the last question of the day. The others you will have to solve. If you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. What is the next question? Find the product of greatest. Find the product of greatest 5-digit number and find the product of greatest 5-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. So students, first of all, do you know which is the greatest 5-digit number? कितना होता है बेटा? ग्रेटेस्ट 5-digit नंबर कितनी होती है बेटा? इट इज 99,999. ओके, सो स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर? इट इज 100. सो प्रोडक्ट क्या हुआ? Multiply by 100. So students, it's really easy to solve this type of the question. Whenever we multiply a number to 100, okay, so it will be written as 2 zeros are added with these numbers. So 2 zeros इसके साथ लग जाते हैं. This is easy way to evaluate such product. जब भी हम 100, 10,000 ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो जितने जीरोज होते हैं उतने जीरोज पीछे लग जाते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर डन विद आवर क्लास ऑफ द डे. इफ यू सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? अमाउंट सैंक्शन फॉर 1 person. हाउ मच अमाउंट इज सैंक्शन फॉर 1 person? It is 215. Okay. And total amount of donation कितनी है हमारे पास? What is the total amount of donation? It is 87,935. Okay, students, we have to find out the number of people. In this question, we will divide the numbers to get number of people, because यहाँ पे उन्होंने टोटल अमाउंट दिया है और 1 person का दिया है, तो हमें नंबर ऑफ पर्सन निकालने हैं. देन वी विल डिवाइड. ओके, 87,935 is to be divided by 215. 215 is multiplied to 4. We get 0. 4 5 is 20. 2 is carry forward. 4 1 is 4 and 2 6. 4 2 is 8. So it is 860 by multiplying to 4. So what is the remainder? 19. Again 3 is taken here, but 215 is more than 193. So it will be multiplied by 0. Okay, only 0 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब भी इससे छोटा आएगा, उसके बाद सभी नंबर्स बड़े आएंगे. So here again the remainder 193. Again 5 is taken. So same students, when we multiply 215 to 9, we get 1935. Okay, we get 1935. So how many peoples are there? 405 persons. So it's our answer.